Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of shadows in Snapseed. If you are new to Snapseed and you don't know how to get rid of shadows, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to add the photo. Now to remove the shadow, simply click on Tools at the bottom menu and select the healing option. Now brush over the shadow to remove the shadow from the photo. And once you're happy with your photo, click here to save changes. And just like that, we can get rid of shadows in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.